Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Gold today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday gold market opened around 28,860. You can see this is the zone where the market opened yesterday, and we expected selling to continue in gold market, having this 29,060 as a major resistance zone. We expected selling to continue till the zone because 29,060 acted as a very major support the previous week. So that is the reason we expected selling to continue till 29,060. Let us see what happened after that. After the price opened around 28,860, you can very well notice that there was a good drop in gold market in the earlier session. But the market took this 28,820, this 28,800 to 28,820 as an intermediate support zone, and it tried to move and test this 28,860, which we have marked as a resistance. Since the price was staying below this support zone of 28,860, now it should act as a resistance. But the market was quite successful in breaking the resistance. Again, it tried to test another major resistance of 28,920, because this is a zone where the market consolidated for a long time the previous day. You can see 29,000 and 28,920. This is the zone where the market consolidated, and it took us a lot of support around the zone. Now it is going to act as a resistance. That is the reason why after testing this previous week, which acted as a support, now it acting as a resistance for gold market and pushed the price down. And you can see the level of selling it had around 28,900 to 28,920. But once again, we want to say, whenever we say it is a support or resistance zone, it is not a single line, it is a zone. That is why we say 28,000. If we say 28,920 as a resistance, it means 28,940, and it includes 28,940, and it includes 28,900. So these are the zones. Support and resistance is always a zone, it is not a single price point. So after taking a huge resistance around the zone, the market could easily break this 28,860, which was acting as an intermediate zone to decide the trend for that day. So after taking some resistance, after breaking some support around the zone, again the price couldn't sustain above this 28,860. So that caused a big selling to happen in gold market. You can see after the failure to sustain this 28,860, push the market down. You can very well notice that it is a very huge straightaway drop in gold after that, and it came down till 28,600. We have marked this 28,620 as one of the major support for gold market, and that also provided some support in gold price, and it tried to pull back to 28,720, and again this 28,720 provided some resistance for gold, and it came down and closed around 28,650. So yesterday, if you see the total price action in yesterday, during the initial trading session, it provided us some opportunity to stay with the trend, because it, after opening lower, it just gave an opportunity to go back and just fill the gap which was formed during the opening. So you can see the market tried to go and fill this gap, and after that there was a good selling, and it was completely dominated by the sellers. Yesterday's market was completely dominated by the sellers, and today we are expecting gold to open more or less around 28,640 to 28,620. If the rupee is getting stronger, if the rupee gets stronger, you can expect the price to open much lower also. So well, let us see what's going to do happen in the trading session today. Also, we can expect gold to move down further, but what you need to do is that you need to follow all the traces which was left by the market during the trading session. So if you follow the traces, it is showing that 28,720. For your easy observation, we have always marked all the traces support and resistance with a blue color line, horizontal line, because these are the lines which provided a support for the market during the trading session which happened earlier. So that is the reason we have that practice of drawing all the support and resistance line for the intraday chart. We request all the followers and clients to have this type of practice, because whenever the price is dropping, it can provide us some indication where the market can stop, where it can retrace. So what we can do is that we can go for selling in gold today but the stop loss zone is that we can decrease the stop loss to 28,920, which acted as a resistance for yesterday. So till this 28,920, slowly and steadily we may decrease the stop loss zone. Is how we are decreasing the stop loss zone, so that in order to protect whatever profit we have gained. Till 28,920 you can go for selling, and we know it is a very big range, because from 28,620 it is going to be a 300 point average. But considering the volatility which we have in gold, so always we need to go for an average till those end, because the price has dropped a lot in COMEX market also. So let us see, but because always whenever I have we are again insisting that whenever you go for an average, please try to book the profit for the average lots at regular time intervals. Whenever you are gaining some profit, for example, if you go for a selling around 28,820, if the price is testing 28,760, try to book profit. Based upon the booking of profit is always based upon the money management technique which you are following, and depends upon the available fund and the expected targets which you are trying to reach. If you have any doubt regarding this, we can very well contact us, and we are ready to guide you how to follow this type of techniques while averaging. So let us see how we can go for a trading today. We are expecting gold to continue its downtrend. So let us see what's going to happen, and the target which we are expecting is that probably 28,520 and 28,560 should provide some base for gold market to consolidate. So we are expecting some consolidation around this zone if the price is going to drop further. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks for watching our video. So kindly follow the support and resistance in gold market, because in particularly in gold, if you cannot trace the support and resistance, you may enter into some trouble. So follow the support and resistance very carefully and trade with stop loss. So thanks a lot for watching our video. Take care. Bye.